Querulous is an adjective used to describe someone who complains frequently or exhibits a habitually whining, petulant attitude. Origins. The word comes from the Latin querulous, meaning full of complaints, derived from query, which means to complain. It entered English in the late 15th century, retaining its connotation of constant grumbling or dissatisfaction. Explanation and usage. Querulous often characterizes people or speech that is overly critical, nagging or fretful, conveying irritation or dissatisfaction in a tiresome manner. Example sentences. The customer's querulous tone frustrated the sales representative. He grew tired of her querulous complaints about trivial matters, which owe cultural significance. The term is often associated with social or personal interactions, describing behavior that can strain relationships due to constant dissatisfaction or whining. It also appears in literature to depict characters prone to grumbling. As synonyms: petulant, childishly sulky or bad-tempered; whiny, complaining in a high-pitched, annoying way; fretful, irritable and unable to relax. Antonyms: content, satisfied and not complaining; cheerful, displaying happiness; and optimism, easygoing, relaxed and tolerant in attitude. Key takeaway: querulous describes a habit of excessive complaining or grumbling, often perceived as irritating or draining in social contexts. It serves as a reminder to approach dissatisfaction constructively. Subscribe